Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are looking for a lamp that is beautiful and sleek and super convenient, I have found just the one.
This LED floor lamp by Obright is so beautiful in its minimalist design. I have it here in the antique brass finish, which I absolutely love. It does have a button where you are able to hold it and you're able to dim the brightness of the lamp, which I think is awesome. Super easy to put together, everything just screwed in. But I think my favorite part about this, besides the fact that it is so sleek and gorgeous, is the fact that it comes with a remote. So it is very convenient. It has a couple of automatic buttons where you can reduce the light or you can brighten it. But then there's also a lot of customization here where you're able to get just the right amount of brightness and you're also able to change the temperature from warm to cool. So this little lamp has so many different settings where you're really able to perfectly customize it to what you need for your space. I think that it is well made. I think that it is beautiful in this nice sleek design. It goes perfectly in so many different spaces and I'm really happy with it.
I love this lamp so much. It's exactly what I was looking for this space. I love the sleek kind of art deco look to it with the gold finish. And I really appreciate that it comes with this remote because it makes it super convenient to easily adjust, turn it on or off, and I don't even have to think about it. I highly recommend checking this out, but that's just my point of view.